Chocolate chip muffins are such a classic, and these ones are made with Greek yogurt to make them extra moist and fluffy. First, let's mix together our dry ingredients, starting with some all-purpose flour, followed by white sugar, baking powder, a little bit of salt, and some cinnamon. The cinnamon is optional, but I think it really adds something. Then once that's all mixed together, add some neutral oil like vegetable or grapeseed, as well as a 1/4 cup of milk, 3/4 of a cup of Greek yogurt, a little vanilla extract, and 2 eggs. And this recipe is perfect if, like me, you keep buying yogurt and then forgetting to eat it. So this is a perfect way to use it up, and it definitely adds to the texture of these muffins. Then once your batter is smooth, it's time to add about 3/4 of a cup of chocolate chips and mix again. At this point, you're ready to start filling up your muffin cups. I like to use an ice cream scoop because it's about the perfect portion for that, and then just divide the batter evenly between 12 muffin cups lined with liners. You want each cup to be filled about 3/4 of the way, and then just bake in a preheated 375-degree oven for 17 to 20 minutes. These are so fluffy and delicious. I really hope you try these at home, and while you're here, click on one of these other great videos and subscribe for more amazing recipes.